Hey everybody, thank you for joining me once again on my channel. This is a different video, obviously. It's that time of the year again, Thanksgiving. It's where all loved ones and family and friends get together and, state how thankful they are to have you in their lives, what you do for them, big or small. It's that time where you get together and eat, almost never pass up a chance to eat homemade food. But yeah, it's Thanksgiving and I'm alone for this year. It's my first time being alone for Thanksgiving, but for those of you who don't know, I do serve. So when you do serve in the military, those are some of the things you kind of give up or risk the time away from your family. So I'm not 100% alone. I do have coworkers. I have other people that I work with that are in the same situation as me as far as being away from home, being away from friends and family. And, we will be gathering together if you choose to do so, kind of lean on each other. I'm leaning on you guys because, I find you guys, my subscribers, as close family to me, friends and family. So, you guys showed up, you hit that subscribe button, you're here, and I'm so grateful for you. I'm thankful to have you. I did gain 1 subscriber today, so I see you. Thank you so much for joining. And yeah, I just want to put that out there, just a short video, just to kind of say happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves with your friends, family, your pets, what have you. And I hope that, people start, including me, start showing people and telling people how thankful we are to have them in our lives, and not just for one day in a year, just like Valentine's Day. Let's try and show more love and appreciation to those who are doing good in our lives. And yeah, also, if you guys could comment below on the things that you're thankful for. I know there's like a plethora of things that you can be thankful for. You can be thankful for the clothes that you have on your back, because there's plenty of people that struggle to keep a good pair of clean t-shirts, underwear, pants on a daily, which is really hard to fathom, being 2016, but it's very true. Some people are thankful that they have a job. Some people are thankful to have a roof over their head. But yeah, what are the things that you guys are thankful for? Just leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. And yeah, so like I said, you guys are family and friends to me. I love each and every one of my subscribers and, the future subscribers to come. And yeah, you guys, whatever you're into, I hope it's, everything you want it to be. Also, for those who haven't or that are new to my channel, I do have my family's back home. My husband's holding it down, taking care of our 3 kids. I have a set of twin girls that are 2 years old, and I have a 5-year-old boy. So yeah, I'm wishing I was there for Thanksgiving to, share that experience with them. But hopefully next year it'll be a different story, and I will be able to do that. So I'm going to wrap this up. Just wanted to keep it short and sweet, and yeah, just wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that everything this year, the rest of this year, goes very well for you, as well as the next year. So I do plan on doing a Christmas and a New Year's video. I wish I could get involved with the Vlogmas, the Vlogmas videos where it starts from, I want to say, the first day of December all the way to Christmas Day. And I can't really do that here in this location. But I do plan on doing Vlogmas next year, so we'll see how that turns out. You guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next video.